Hello everyone, my name is Madhav Dusad and welcome to Gyan Shala with Masti. Today we will be talking about a very important part of our body, our eyes. And also lenses we will be talking about. Eyes are a very important part of our body. They help us to see and we cannot enjoy the colors of the nature and we cannot even completely understand many things without our eyes. Today we will talk about eyes and the lenses. First, we will talk about the basics of our eyes. In our eyes, a biconvex converging lens is used. The converging lens is like this, and light rays are coming, and it converges the light to a certain point, and that point is called the retina. If the light is being converged to retina, a perfect clear image will be formed. But we have to take care that it is formed on a screen, and retina is a screen. It has to be a real and inverted image. But we see all the things straight up only, not inverted. So this thing our brain knows that the image is inverted. So it processes the image and turns it upside down to make it look alike to the exact object. And you may not believe it, but this process only takes 0.16 seconds. But sometimes, like in the videos or the flip books, so the flip books are a very good example of what will happen if the image process takes lesser than 0.16 seconds. So when we flip the flip book, it seems that the character is moving. So why is that? Because the page is being flipped at a faster speed that is less than 0.16 second. So the I see it as a moving object. So this is how the flipbook works, and the we see the character moving. So now we know that the eye uses a lens called the biconvex converging lens. Now we will talk about the defects of our eyes. So sometimes if the eyeball is too big or there is a defect in the lens only, so we have certain diseases. So one is nearsightedness or farsightedness, or more scientifically called myopia and hypermetropia. So what will happen in these diseases? So first we will talk about nearsightedness or myopia. So in nearsightedness we can see the near object but not further objects. So in this process the light, the rays converge before retina. So if the retina is here, they are being converged here. So we do not get a clear image of the further objects. So how to correct this? So we need lenses which are diverging lenses, or called biconcave diverging lenses. So they diverge a light, our light a little, and then our lenses converge it further to the retina to correct the image formation. Now we will talk about farsightedness, which is hypermetropia. And in hypermetropia, the image is formed beyond the retina. So if the retina is here, the image is being formed here and they are converging here. So how to correct this? And in farsightedness, we can see far away objects but not near ones. So how to correct this? So we can use biconvex converging lenses. So to converge the light further, so the lens can further converge it to the retina only. So hope you understood the process of our eyes and the lenses, and how the eyes play a beautiful role in to see the outer things. So please like and share this video, and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.